Hello everybody.
Hallo zusammen.
How are you?
Wie geht's euch?
Family, today we have Chef Julian with us and Julian is gonna make lasagna for us. Let's do it. First, we're gonna go ahead and place our onions in the oil. Make sure your oil is hot. Stir. After the onions are translucent, then you add your minced meat. Mix together well. After your meat changes color, then you go ahead and add your tomato paste. Mix together well. Guys, the proportion of what Julian is using will be in the description below. Then you go ahead and add your red wine. It can be white wine as well, guys, and this is really optional. Mix together well. Go ahead and add your tomato puree, some water, mix well. And next we're gonna go ahead and add our paprika powder, sugar, salt to your taste, oregano, basilicum, 3 juniper seeds, bay leaf, and 2 garlic pegs. The juniper seeds are optional too, guys. You don't have to use them. Stir together well. Let it simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes. Then you remove from the stove top. Go ahead and put some butter in your baking sheet or your baking tin. Place in the oven until butter is melted. Go ahead and place some meat sauce with your fresh cream. Mix together well. Set aside. Remove your baking tin from the oven and grease well. Go ahead and add some meat sauce at the bottom, but very thin, guys. You don't need to make it thick at this moment. Add your lasagna noodles, and we're using uncooked noodles. Some meat sauce again, and then we add some fresh cream, and we're gonna repeat this process 2 times. It depends on the baking sheet that you're using, how big it is, guys. And at last is our noodles and the meat sauce, and then our mozzarella, and then our grated cheese. We're gonna go ahead and place foil paper over our baking sheet. Place it in the oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After 45 minutes, we're gonna remove it. Remove the foil. Wow, look at it, lovely. And then we're gonna go ahead and place it back for another 10 minutes. And then our lasagna is finished. So family, I will dig into this lasagna. Wow, it smells so good. Wow, tasting well. Good job, Julian. Wow, it looks good, but it tastes better.